Hi, I'm Florida foreclosure defense attorney Richard Shuster. Today's foreclosure defense topic is I've been sued for foreclosure and I can't afford an attorney. What should I do? Well, if you are indigent, if you are living at the poverty line, in most Florida counties you can find an attorney through legal aid. If you are above the poverty line and are not sure whether or not you can afford an attorney or whether it pays to hire an attorney, you should sit down and get a consultation with an attorney specializing in foreclosure defense. A lot of our clients thought that they couldn't afford an attorney. Then they realized after speaking with us that hiring a foreclosure defense attorney was going to save them a lot of money. Why? Because they compared the cost of housing by hiring a foreclosure attorney and not hiring a foreclosure attorney. If you do nothing and you lose your house to foreclosure in 3 or 4 months, as opposed to hiring a foreclosure defense attorney and defending that case for 2 or 3 years, how is the cost of housing for you going to compare? If you save for 6 months and spend nothing on hiring an attorney, but for the last 18 of those months are spending $1,500 or $2,000 a month for rent, your cost for housing is going to be way, way more than if you had hired an attorney at the get-go. For most of our clients, hiring our law firm to defend their foreclosure case saves them money. And that's for the clients who ultimately exit their property. For a significant minority of our cases we win, and for another large group of clients whose cases we settle, the benefits of hiring an attorney are often 5 to 10 times what they spend on legal fees. What is the value if your case is settled while the foreclosure case is pending and you receive a substantial reduction of your interest rate or a reduction in your loan balance, or both? If you spend $4,000 or $5,000 over the course of a year to defend your foreclosure case and you cut your interest rate from 6% to 4%, you may save $40,000, $50,000, $60,000 over the course of your loan. For most of our clients, hiring a foreclosure defense attorney saves them a substantial amount of money. And if you get a settlement or a win, you will probably obtain 1,000% return on your investment in foreclosure defense. Think of foreclosure defense as an investment. Think of foreclosure defense as a substitute for paying rent. Think of foreclosure defense as something that will leave more money in your wallet for the long haul. And then ask yourself, can I afford not to hire an attorney? I'm Richard Shuster. Thanks for listening. And the FCCPA makes it illegal for a bill collector or a creditor to call a consumer when the bill collector or creditor knows that that consumer is represented by an attorney with respect to that debt.